Hey, I'm Kareem.
And I'm Laura. And today we're at the Atwill Service Centre for Tire Change Day. Our team does this twice a year.
It is a great way for us to keep in touch with our clients, and it's also a way for us to thank them for their business with us and for the many referrals they're giving us.
We are at Atwill because Nick is hosting a tire change, which is an awesome giving back to his clients. I recently bought a house with my partner with Nick this summer. We just moved in. The experience was amazing. The team is phenomenal, and they really were up to the marathons that we did throughout the summer. So Nick Fundytus team is amazing.
So this, of course, is our twice annual tire change day here at Atwill Service Centre. This is a fantastic day. We love doing it. And this is just a way all our clients and their referrals and their business keep us rolling. So this is a way that we can literally help keep you rolling. So thank you for coming today. We really appreciate it. And we hope that you enjoyed all the fantastic service here at Atwill. We love these guys too.